Hey you guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you 3 hacks very useful for lipsticks, and this hack will change your life, your game of lipstick. And you don't have to buy a lot of things to invest into, and you can do really good things with it. So yeah, without any further ado, let's see what are these hacks and how they will help you out. So yeah, let's get started. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, which is related to fashion and beauty and hairstyles and everything that you will love. Everything a girl adores, loves, and this channel will help you a lot. I'll help you a lot with your everyday mess, and everything that you will like, you can share it with me, and I will just make sure that you get the best out of the content. So yeah, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then,